Hello, we are introducing the BAASS Web Query and Reporting tool. This powerful tool is designed for users that want to use the power of SQL and Excel to slice and dice their data. Here are some of the features. So, with the BAASS Web Query tool, users can define their own SQL queries that pull data from multiple databases. Those queries are saved. Appropriate permissions are assigned to the users to execute these queries. Once the user executes the queries, the results are presented in a smart grid. This smart grid can sort and group the data. The results can be exported into Excel. In using this tool, organizations are able to access real-time data on web without having to be connected to an application. They can export data into Excel for more personalized information. You can query any type of data in SQL. You can connect to many SQL databases, allowing you to format your own reports. At BAASS, our local resources are here to support this tool with our experienced development team in-house. Visit the BAASS Marketplace for more information.